Welcome to another episode on my ESP32, a little device with lots of options. And last time I discussed all the parts that I had gotten with it, including a breadboard and an added breadboard, and how to continue. Well, that is actually the question right now. On several websites you can find several ideas, and it takes a while before you get the website that you need, and that is for everyone else different. And the first website that I read was about using a USB to TTL device, which I don't have. And to make things a bit worse, my local computer shop has no idea what TTL means. So what else? Well, searching further, and then it turns out that there is actually a good website which also says what the power supply options are, and that is micro USB. Guess why this cable is here. 5 volts and 3 volts, or as they call it, 3 volts 3. Well, 3 volts 3 is here somewhere, 5 volts is here also, and well, then we do it like this. The only thing that is a little bit problematic is the breadboard. So I am taking, okay, so it is plugged in, I think. No, it's not. So I hope this is plugged in. Let's check for being all safe, and then this happens. So it is too flexible in this case. Yep, way too flexible. So, but let's get it over and watch. All pins are completely straightened. So yeah, it is plugged in. But this is a severe warning that I have to find a different way of connecting the boards and keeping them connected. Alright, then next thing, how to power up. Well, that was a surprise to me, because you apparently should use Arduino environment to install Toolchain, or install Toolchain and then install the Toolchain into the Arduino environment. What is a Toolchain? Well, actually a programming environment, compiler, etc. And that is where the geek stuff starts with. And it even has 3 ways to do Windows, Linux and macOS. And guess which I am using? Yes, Linux. Because each and every project of mine runs Linux. And then it says, alright, what do you use? CentOS, well, that is very long-term stuff, but very good. Ubuntu and Debian and Arch Linux, and I am going for, oh, that's a good one. On my laptop I'm not using Ubuntu, I'm using a CentOS derivative. So now it is going to be very exciting which one actually will work. Because I noticed that the command used for CentOS is a little bit dated. So we're going to see how things work out. And this one, let's be brave and just connect it. That one is not yet connected, so nothing worse can happen, but let's see on the PC. Alright, so how to proceed? Well, actually, it turns out that I using this website, how to hook up everything, did quite a bit of this website getting started. And going here, it shows that this has been started, well, not via this website, by the way. So if I do it in another way, how can I do it? How should I do it? This is a tar file which is not compiled as such, so no matter which one you take, you need to do it. So going here, go back, and all those files that they mention here I already have now. So it works, as they say, via the DevT2 USB 0. Oh, that is familiar, because that is this is USB to serial device. But how do they use it? Alright, let's take the following. And this is somewhat illogical, unlogical. Did I already do that? That is the big question. Because I'm not wanting to do, I don't want to do things twice or 3 times. And everything is being done here in CD ESP. You also need specific libraries. Well, these were for the Arduino. Does that mean that this isn't for Arduino? The only way to test is do it. Because if I don't have to use Arduino, because this is no Arduino, it will be better. So let's get out of here. Although this whole stuff is more or less installed. Okay, navigate the directory you want to put ESP32 in. And to install the pre-built toolchain. Okay, so let's create. Oh, wait a second, that's another thing. Usually you do things in here, because in here I have also Arduino environment, and I have Blender, Eclipse, you name it, Scilab. So that would be the best. And this is typically something that I don't prepare when recording, I just do it. It may go wrong, it may go right, who knows. Another thing is, of course, I need to create it, sudo make there, and then change it to my own, otherwise I can't do anything. So ESP32. ESP32, okay, it's mine. No, it's not mine. See? Oh, and then I made a typo. I have to do it different. It's ESP. Okay. Now and minus R means the whole tree. So everything inside ESP IDF will get my user identity. Now it will work. So once again, yes, and now it has my identity. But this may be all nice, I still need them. I still need those. So I still need to do this. So let's do it. And this may take a while. Okay, so that worked out quickly, and I entered the directory and see some stuff. Now they say you're almost there. To be able to proceed any further, connect the ESP board to the PC and check on the word serial port. It is visible. This is going to be interesting. So I will hook it up, and oh, look at this. Can you see it? There's a bright red light here. Then the question is, what is the device name? TTY USB 2, because 1 and 2, 0 and 1 are already in use by Raspberry Pi. So this is interesting. Alright, that is the way it works. Being in a terminal window, go to the directory hello world. Oh, really? I was not aware that I had a directory hello world. Oh, in examples probably. Not really. Yeah, well, this is a typical thing of things you expect to happen. Things don't work. Or you can't find it. Maybe in Get Started. Ah, hello world. Well, let's follow the example. That would have been too easy. If the following steps have been done correctly. Oh, I have to copy this. Okay. So I am then in here. That's fine. Examples, Get Started, hello world, and what do we have? Hello world. Very good. CD hello world. Same thing. Okay. Well, you know, I would have surprised if everything would have worked the first time, since they hardly ever do for me. But maybe I'm too hasty, whatever. Anyway, I think this was a very nice start. I can go on with this. I haven't tried the Arduino yet, so let me try this one, and you can see there's another project running from the Arduino. But oh, look here. There's a lot available now. This one is available on this one. And oh, this takes a lot of study, and yes, this has to be USB 2 then. get board info, unknown board, I don't care. But this works kind of so far. So next time, a lot to check out. Will be interesting. So these were my first real steps towards the ESP32. Confusing stuff. Finding out things do work apparently also via ArduinoIDE. How else? Well, I prefer actually a terminal, but now I have multiple options. TTL may be used, most likely not, because on the Dutch websites I have found a very scarce availability of TTL connections, connective devices, cables, and those were not readily available. So it will be likely that I will use this cable for the whole project. For now, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, or both. You can also follow me via Twitter. Please retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me via Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. You can also choose to support me financially by making a donation. More information on my website and at the start of this video. And you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website and with my video, also depending on the pledge you make. For now, thank you for watching, and this is to be continued. Bye bye.